So as you can see, I've sent you the reports, the financials of Ketchup for the last 2-3 years.
I'm just checking your email.
Hey, Akhil. Come, have a seat.
Hey.
Well, you know all about Akhil, of course. Well, that's Janardhan Chudatsma, JC for short.
Hey.
I'm Akhil, for short as well.
I'd sent you an email. So this is JC. JC has been an investor with 10 years in the Valley. He's just recently moved back to be with his family. Now, here's the thing. He is looking to invest in a startup and hopefully come on board as CEO. He thinks there's great potential in the future of Ketchup.
So I went through the deck. Look, man, if I were you, I would be stressed.
Trust me, I am stressed out.
Also, Ketchup has been in the top 5 of all dating apps across regions, right? But the big breakthrough has not come yet. Now, I see that as 5 years of not reaching the #1 spot.
Nice.
Anyway, so I have used Ketchup and the other apps. Right now, it's 215, which is worrying.
हाँ तो algo पे काम कर रहे हैं ना?
No, you're right. It is. It's very worrying.
Look, see, what I can do is I can send you some possibilities on algo rework. Now, I had to beg this programmer, Dennis, to consult on this. Now, his source codes are near perfect. Unlike yours, that look like you guys are still whiteboarding, man. Huh?
Yeah, algo is something. It's my thing. See, right now we're on code review, and once we get to coding bootcamp, we'll fix this baby, right?
Glad. So, how about just taking an opinion from the best guy in the business?
Yeah.
Kya bura hai?
Yeah, of course.
Look, plan B, guys, is everything in life. In my life, everything's worked out on plan B. Thank God my marriage wasn't one of them.
हैप्पी राखी गाइस सीरियसली आज के दिन कितना रॉकी है मेरा ना पूरा का पूरा दिवाला ही निकल गया पता हो कैसे देखो मेरी है 2 सगी बहनें 9 कजन 13 मुंह बोली बहनों की मंडली है और उसमें से एक डिवोर्स है और क्या वो बेचारी डिवोर्स है ना तो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा देना पड़ा तो पूरे 2 लाख गए तुम लोग जल्दी आएंगे क्या तुम्हारे भाई बहनों ने निकाल दिया क्या
You asked us to be here at 9:45 for a client meeting.
Oh shit. मैंने बताया नहीं कि कॉल जो है वो 2 बजे हो गया है और वैसे भी तुम्हें उस कॉल पर रहने की जरूरत नहीं है I'll handle it.
What? तो तुम टेक्स्ट भी कर सकते थे ना? We've all been waiting here like idiots for the last 2 hours.
एंग्री इंडियन गॉर्डन रूप का अवतार को ले लिया वो आज वो रक्षा नॉल का दिन है ना तो जैसे तुम अपने भाई के घर रहती हो मुझे भी अपनी बेचारी बहनों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है ना वैसे यू वांट टू बी माय बहन सॉरी नो वैकेंसी नेक्स्ट ईयर कॉन्टैक्ट नेक्स्ट ईयर
सात्विक,
हाँ
तुम जब अपने ये घटिया जोक सुनाते हो ना तो सबसे फनी क्या होता है पता है?
क्या
It's not the joke. It's you. The joke is on you. You're the joke. Knock knock. Who's there? Satvik. Satvik who? Not at all funny Satvik. That's who.
क्या हो गया इस क्रेजी लेडी को ये मल्टीपल पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर तो नहीं हो गया क्या
That again. Not funny. तुमने ऑफिस ग्रुप पे 11 बजे रात को टेक्स्ट भेजा अर्जेंट माय बेटू हैज pooped and is playing in it. Seriously? हमें क्या करना है ये जान के कि तुम्हारे बेटू ने ओह थैंक यू पापा बोलना सीख लिया है. I wish he'd learned to say shut the fuck up पापा.
सर, ये ऐसे कैसे shut the
And you? Definitely Devang. You're this office's biggest ass-licking chamcha, right?